Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ojasvi and I am excited to share this introductory video about the launch of a brand new playlist dedicated to DevOps tools. In this video, I will be discussing what you can look forward to in the upcoming DevOps tool series. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more viewers. Stay tuned for valuable insight and practical tutorials. DevOps, short for Development and Operations, expedites the delivery of high-quality software to the market. It embodies a set of methodologies, best practices, and collaborative approaches. To achieve efficient and high-quality delivery, DevOps leverages various tools. In this series, we will explore the principles, best practices, and crucially, the tools that makes a DevOps transformative force in today's tech environment. Now, why focus on DevOps tools? Well, these tools automate, streamline, and optimize entire development lifecycle. They are the key components that empowers the team to deliver software faster with higher quality and increased efficiency. So, what's our roadmap? Well, we will be deep diving into essential DevOps tools that are highly sought after in the industry. From CI/CD pipelines to infrastructure as code, we have got all covered. I have carefully selected these tools based on their relevance and demand in the real-world scenarios. But that's not all. DevOps often goes hand in hand with cloud computing. And what better cloud provider than AWS? I will show you how AWS complements DevOps practices, leveraging powerful services to enhance our workflows. Expect a variety of tutorials, hands-on demonstrations, step-by-step walkthroughs, and practical use cases. Each tutorial is crafted to provide you with actionable insight and skills that you can directly apply to your projects. This isn't just a one-way street. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions and share your experiences. Suggest topics you would like me to cover. We are building a community here, and your engagement is what makes it thrive. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this series with anyone interested in mastering DevOps and AWS. The journey begins now, and I can't wait to explore, learn, and grow together. Stay tuned for first tutorial. Until then, happy learning.